Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So, we've had all the bikes from the giveaway that we did for the grand opening done for a while now. I just finally had time to sit down and organize all the footage. The craziness between running 3 shops and putting together the Florida shop and controlling the inventory and Bike Week just went. It's just been a lot to handle, but all the giveaway bikes are done. We're going to post them one at a time. Today is going to be the Cicada bike. Wayne won the Cicada giveaway for his Street Glide. So this bike had no tour pack. We did upper fairing speakers, lower fairing speakers, lid cutting kit, 6 spines in the lid, Cicada 8s in the stock bags. So we started with an NVS Audio AK4 wiring kit. Then we did the Cicada FLX 1600.1 with the base knob that replaced the cigarette lighter and has a clip indicator. We did the Cicada FLX 700.4. We're able to get everything in the fairing using the Cicada amp rack with no cutting. So we were able to put the amps in the fairing comfortably, no cutting. We ran the Cicada DSP on this one. The fairing speakers, we went with our favorite, Cicada CHs in the lowers, same thing, Cicada CHs in the lowers. I love the Cicada CH because they play really loud with a small amount of power. Works out really well from us. And then they don't have a lot of bass. We don't need them to have a lot of bass because that's what the 6 spines and the 8s and the saddlebags are for. So in the back, we don't use CHs in the lid because water. So in the lid, we went with the CHX 6 spine, carbon fiber, weatherproof, don't have to worry about water getting in the tweeter. And in the bags, we went with the Cicada CMB 8s. The 1600.1 powers the 8s, and the 700.4 powers the upper and lower fairings on channel 1 and 2, and the lid speakers on channel 3 and 4. Bike sounds really good. Went with a lithium battery upgrade on this bike. We gave him all the equipment. The only thing he had to pay for was the lithium battery. He shipped us the lithium battery and we installed it, but all the equipment was completely free. Install was completely free. So this install would retail for $7,500. That's not including the price of the battery. With the price of the battery, it'd bring closer to $8,500. But parts, labor, cutting the saddlebags, mounting rings, 8-inch mid-bass drivers, 2 amplifiers, amplifier rack, everything. So it was completely free for him. It looks really good. It sounds really good. My favorite part of the entire build is you look at the bike looks completely stock until he plays it. So we don't get into stuffing a bunch of amplifiers in the fairing and cutting this or cutting that. We do a nice, clean rider bike setup. Sounds good while you're riding, sounds good in the parking lot. Everything's weatherproof, nothing's gonna break. This is our kind of install. This is the kind of bike we like to build. Check out how it looks and sounds.
Pensaba que contigo iba a empezar en otra vida, en otro mundo podrá ser. No estás solo
Now I hear you what you love. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Now here. Somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream?